Hello, welcome students. Welcome to today's session. Our today's session is related to subject maths class 9 and it is the 12th chapter of our NCERT book, that is Heron's formula. So in the previous video we have discussed about the introduction to the Heron's formula. Now we will discuss our exercise, that is exercise 12.1. So here we start. First question of our exercise is that a traffic signal board which indicates school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle is there, which side A. What we have to do, we have to find the area of signal board using the Heron's formula, and we also have to find out the area if the perimeter is 180. Okay, now see the solution here. Side of a signal board, it is A. So perimeter will be 3a because sum of three sides, 3 into side, that is the perimeter of equilateral triangle. It is given to us 180. So A is 60. How? 180 will be divided by 3. So result we get is 60. So here we find that side is as 60. So if side is as 60, we can find out the area of signal board. Now semi-perimeter, as we have discussed in the previous video, it is sum of all side upon 2. So Heron's formula, we will put this as semi-perimeter. So this is our Heron's formula, square root of s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So instead of s, what we will put? We will put 3a minus 2. So 3a upon 2. So here it is 3 upon 2. Then 3 upon 2 minus a, 3 upon 2 minus a, same side 3 upon 2 minus a. So here we are getting it as 3a squared upon 4. What we are getting as result? 3a squared upon 4. Okay. Now our question is, if perimeter is 180, we have to find out the area of signal board. So instead of side, what we have put here? 60. Instead of side, what we have put here? 60. 60 is our side. So instead of A, we have put here 60. So that is our answer. So these are the two answers for our question. Okay. Now question number second. Here is our question. So question is, a triangular side wall of flyover has been used for advertisement. This is a triangular side wall which is using for the advertisement. The side of wall, just see the diagram, 122, 22 and 120. Advertisement yields an earning of 5,000 per meter per year. For per year means 12 months, earning is 5,000. And we have to find out, a company has hired one of its wall for 3 months. The question is how much rent it pay. Now see, the sides are given to us. Okay, 122, 22 and 120. Now perimeter will be, when we add all these three, that is the perimeter, and semi-perimeter, half of it. So 132 is our semi-perimeter. Now we will use Heron's formula here. Formula is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, so instead of S, 132, A, 122, B, 22, C, 120. So here is our result, that is 1320 meters square. This is the area. Now the question is the rent of advertisement per year. So for 12 months it is 5,000 for 12 months. Okay, so for finding for 1 month, what we will do? We will divide by 12. For finding for 3 months, we will multiply by 3. And for finding the total cost, we will multiply it by area. So how can we get the final result? Area to be multiplied by earning, multiplied by 3, and it will be divided by 12. So this is our answer. Okay, in rupees we are getting our answer. So now we will discuss our next question, that is question number 3. So have a look. Question is, there is a slide in a park. Okay, slide in a park. One of its side has been painted with some color and the message is there, keep the park green and clean. Now the question is, if the side of the walls are 15, 11 and 6, we have to find the area painted in color. So again, triangle is there, three sides are there. Using Hero's formula, we will find our answer. Just see how. Sides are 15, 11 and 6. Perimeter, sum of these three, and semi-perimeter divide by 2. So semi-perimeter we are getting as 16. Now the question is here, using Heron's formula. So area will be square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So instead of S, we are putting 16. Instead of A, 15. B, 11. C, 6. So here we are getting our answer 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. Okay, so our multiplication is 800. And when you are finding the square root, we are finding it as 20 root 2. And the answer is in meter square. We have to find out the area. So the answer is in meter square. Okay, now we will discuss our next question. That is question number 4. Just have a look what question number 4 is there. We have to find out the area of triangle. Okay, two sides are given to us and perimeter. Two sides and perimeter means third side is unknown. So what we will do here? Third side is unknown. We have assumed third side as x, but we have assumed third side as x. So sides are 18, 10 and x. Now what we know? We know the perimeter. Perimeter is 42. So the side will be 42 minus sum of rest two side. Okay, then only we can find out the third side. Na? Third side we have assumed as x. So how can we find out x? When we subtract the sum of two sides from the perimeter, we are finding the third side. So the semi-perimeter of triangle is 42 upon 2. That is 21. Okay, so semi-perimeter is 21. So now again here we are using Heron's formula. So using Heron's formula, what is the Heron's formula? Square root of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So again 21 semi-perimeter, 18 first side, 10 second side, 14 third side. Okay, now on solution, that is our answer. Okay, so that is the solution for question number 4. Now question number 5 we will discuss. So here is question number 5. Ratio is given to us. Okay, ratio and perimeter. Whenever the ratio is given to us, what we will assume it as? We will take any variable. Here we are taking common ratio, that is as x. So the sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. Okay, this is the common things that we usually do when the sides or something given to us in the ratio. In 7th and 8th class, lot of question we have solved like it. Now see, it is also given that the perimeter of a triangle is 540. Perimeter is 540. So how we will solve it? Sum of all three sides is equals to 540. Now sum we are getting as 54. Now when we divide 540 by 54, we are getting the result as 10. What we are getting? 10. So the value of x is 10. Now how can we get the sides of the triangle? 10 multiplied by 12, 120. 10 multiplied by 17, 170. 10 multiplied by 25, 250. So these three are the side of the triangle. Now what do we have to find out? Area. So area, how can we find out? First of all, we will find out semi-perimeter. So sum of all these three upon 2. So sum is 540 and it is given to us also perimeter. So perimeter upon 2, 270. Now Heron's formula same as S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now we will put the value S 270, A 120, B 170, C 250. Okay, now when we multiply all these, the result is as 9,000 centimeters square. So that is our answer. Okay, now we will discuss our next question. That is question number 6. That is the last question of our exercise also. Just see our next question. Now see, this is our last question. An isosceles triangle is there. Means two sides are equal. Perimeter is 30 and equal side 12. We have to find out the area. Okay, now the same thing. Sorry. Now the same thing. Equal side means two sides are known to us. Third side we will assume at x. Third side हमने assume कर ली x. Now equal side is 12. Okay, means two sides 12 and 12. Perimeter is 30. So what will be the third side? Perimeter is equals to 12 plus 12 plus x. Okay, so 12 plus 12, 24. So x is 30 minus 24. So here we are getting it as 30 minus 24, 6 centimeters. So third side is 6. Okay, now we have to find out semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is perimeter upon 2. So it is 15. Again, using Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So same 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12 and 15 minus 6. So what is our result? 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. So our result is 9 root 15. So these all are the question of our exercise. Okay. So 6 questions are there. So these all are the solution. So complete your work with the help of this video and take care. Thank you.